Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button and be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to another try on haul. Today is going to be from H&M. I'm so excited to style the pieces that I bought and show you some summer outfits. Hopefully we get to wear it. I hope one of these days. I just love summer fashion and I haven't added anything new to my summer wardrobe until this week. As you saw in my last video, I shared a Walmart try on haul and this is one of the tops. I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much, so I had to wear it in this video. I'll link that video if you missed it. And next we're going to do another store that I'm really excited about, so stay tuned for that. So this haul is from H&M. I bought it on Memorial Day during their Memorial Day sale and it didn't come until I think 3.5 weeks later. So H&M has always been slow with shipping to me. I have no idea why, but now it's even longer and I understand with the situation going on. Before the try on portion, we are going to unbox everything. So I opened it up initially, but we can see what I got now. Here's the first top that I'm pulling out. It is white and it is extra large. I usually run between a large and an extra large in H&M clothing, so I'll just link all the sizes as well if you're curious about that. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I really wanted this top. So I had a top similar to this last year from H&M and I really love the style. So I got a plain white one. It is a crop top and it has this cute open back. Oh, I love that. And I love tops with bows. So I can't wait to wear this. It's going to be such a nice summer top. And I do love wearing white during the summer. So it has these fun sleeves right here. They're probably puff out when you wear them. Then we have the open back right here and the tie detail on it, so you'll see that in the try on portion, but that is super cute and really nice material, so can't wait to see what that looks like on. Next up we have another white top. I really love white tops during the summer, so I picked up two. So I have a top really similar to this in blue and I wore it all summer long, I think back in 2017. So I love that this style is coming back again. It has this square neckline and these puff sleeves and elastic all the way around. So this is an extra large and I feel like it's going to be a nice oversized fit. I just love tops like these. I find them so flattering, so I can't wait to style that one up. Next up we just have some basic tees. I love H&M basics. I wear them all day, every day around the house. I love their t-shirts, their tops, their tees, whatever you call it. I wear them lounging around the house, and if I need to head out, they still look decent enough to head out in. So I needed a few, and these were like $5, but I got them on sale, so they were like $3 each, which is amazing. So I picked up a few of these. Yay, I just love this oversized t-shirt. They're just so good to like wear around the house, like I said. And yeah, I got this and an extra large. It's just a comfy t-shirt material. Then I got this purple one and it has a cute little embroidered purple heart on it. That is super cute. So let's open it up and check it out. Yep, good sizing, and I don't have any purple things, so I decided to go with purple. And yeah, I love this color. I need to buy more of this and have purple more in my wardrobe, so got this one. Then we have this top. I got this one in a large and it seems bigger. I think they are different. This is just the H&M basics tee and it was the same amount of money as those, so that has like an embroidered design and this one doesn't, and it doesn't feel like the same material. It feels lighter. I kind of like this kind of material better, so yeah, I picked that top up. It's super cute and so nice. So I have some basic tees now that I can wear around the house or style up when I head out, so that's fun. The last thing in here is one of my favorite pieces. I love this hot pink skirt. I saw it on one of my favorite vloggers, and when I went to do my H&M haul, I saw it there and it was on sale, so I picked it up. I believe I got this in a large because extra large wasn't available, and I won between large and extra large, as I said, so hopefully it fits. I just wanted an extra large for the length as I am pretty tall, but hopefully this would be good enough. So let's open it up and see. Ta-da! It's a little wrinkly, but it is super cute. You know me and my hot pink, I had to buy hot pink somewhere in this haul. So yeah, it just needs a good steam or something to get the wrinkles out. But it's an elasticated waist, so I don't think I have a problem around the waist. It's just the length I'm worried about. But it does have a tie string and it works, so that's lovely. Yeah, I got a large in it. And yeah, it's super cute. I can't wait to style it. So I'm gonna stop babbling, and then I'm just going to share with you me trying on the clothes and also styling it together with a few different pieces already in my wardrobe. So let's start the try on haul, shall we? So here is the first outfit that I'm gonna feature. I love this kind of outfit. This is totally a Jackie summer outfit. I've worn it for a few summers now, and it's just the best ever when you don't know what to wear, when it's just super hot. This is what I always wore. A cute little tee like this and this chambray skirt. This has just been my go-to, and it's still my go-to. This is the top, and it says love on it. I tied it up like this to be cute. Since it's kind of a little oversized, I wanted a cute little like tie here, and it makes it even look more feminine and chic. So I'll take it down later to show you what it's really like. I think it might be long enough to wear with leggings. I just have to try. But the chambray skirt is from 2016. I cannot find one similar. It was from Forever 21. I really regret not picking up more because it's just so nice, so breathable. And as I said, when I was like really hot living in the Philippines, this is all I would wear out. As for the bag, this is the tote bag that I am so obsessed with. I bought it a few weeks before lockdown, and I never got a chance to take it out. So now, hopefully it can become my summer bag. It's just so precious. It has my initials on it, so I love that personalized touch. And it is, I think, a dupe of the Chanel Deauville tote, so I find it really pretty and such a cute bag, and I love it with this outfit. Lastly are the sandals that I'm wearing. I featured the similar ones in my Walmart try-on haul, but these have 3 bows instead of 1 big bow, and I love them. They have like an elastic on the strap, so it handles my wide foot, so I'm really happy about that. It's not too tight on. It is a bit tight, but it's not like super uncomfortable kind of tight. It's like staying on your foot kind of tight. They're just so pretty and so feminine with this look, so these are definitely going to become a summer shoe staple. And I just love the bows. Look at how cute that is. It's just so darling. So yeah, I have these shoes to match with the outfit. This is how it fits on me normally. So I took it out of the tie. I didn't tuck it in. Another way I would wear this is tucked into the skirt, but this is just it plain. I'm wearing the extra large. It's under $5 and I got it on sale, so it was even cheaper. But it has the embroidery right here that says love, and it's just a plain t-shirt. Honestly, that's it. It can be worn here at home, or it can also be worn out, or you can dress it up like I did. So this is the first top, and there you have it. That is the first outfit I'm trying on in my H&M haul. And here is the second outfit I'm styling. I'm actually wearing the same top, but in a purple color, and it has a heart instead of love embroidered on the corner here. So that is super cute. I love that little detail. It's not just a simple tee, it has something extra about it. This is just like a basic outfit I wore all of quarantine, except this time it's a little bit more dressed up to head to the grocery store or if you need to run errands. So this is something I would wear to go buy milk or something. So again, the top is extra large. I just have it tucked in to these sweatpants, which are also H&M. I got these on Black Friday and I've been living in them since. I love them so much. I need to pick it up in more colors. This is the large I'm wearing, I believe, and it's just this pretty neutral color. Then I just wore some slip-on shoes with it, or if I'm just here at the house, I would have worn slippers. Then I paired it with this dupe bag again. It just looks so good with all these outfits, and I love pairing it with it. So I just threw my hair up in a high ponytail with a scrunchie, and this is the second outfit that I styled, and such a good tee. I recommend you pick these up, and if it's on sale, it's even better. That is the second look. Here is the third outfit that I'm styling for the haul. So if this looks kind of familiar, it's because I featured featured a similar outfit in my Walmart haul. So I'm wearing the same Walmart shorts, but I didn't talk a lot about the top. So now I'm gonna talk more about the top instead of the shorts. I love this top so much. It's just so feminine and pretty. It reminds me of something Lydia Millen would wear. I've been watching a lot of her vlogs, and it's just something like she would wear. This material is very stretchy, so I could have sized down, and right here it has elastic, so it stays up more than my other off-the-shoulder tops, but I could have sized down since I'm wearing an extra large. It is super pretty, and I could fluff the sleeves out some more, but I just tucked it into the shorts. Instead of the red Chanel dupe, I have a Gucci B dupe. So this is such a cute bag, and I love the pop of red. That's why I wore this red headband to complement each other with the pops of red. It can be cute for 4th of July if you add some blue. My sandals are just the 3 white bow sandals. That's what I've been calling it, and it kind of matches the bow I have on my headband, so everything ties together and looks so cute. So I really want to wear this outfit and shoot it outside because it's just so pretty. So yeah, this is the 3rd outfit, and here is the 4th outfit that I'm sharing with you. Both the top and the skirt are H&M. This is just an H&M basic tee. It was under $5, and I'm wearing a large, but it's big enough on me that I can put this off the shoulder, which is a cute little detail. The skirt is also a large, and I should have sized up though to an extra large because the waistband is elastic and you can tie it. The tie here works, so I would have loved a little bit more length because it is short on me. I am 5'9", so I like having a teeny bit more length. That is the outfit. It's really cute and girly, kind of dressed up, but it's kind of casual. For the accessories for this outfit, I'm just wearing this hair scrunchie that is extra large and looks super pretty with my hair tied up to the side. Then I have this bag. It is another designer dupe. I just love me some designer dupes. And then it has this like pink keychain on it. That's a bow. And of course, there are bows on my sandals, so it ties it in well. And I wanted to go with the white sandals from Walmart and then the white bag, so that completes this cute look, and I super love it. So that is the 4th outfit that I'm styling. I had to save the best for last, so this is the 5th and final look, and I'm in love with this outfit. This is me in an outfit right here. I have to squeal about this outfit because, oh look, it's just so pretty. So let's talk about this top. It is super cute. It's a crop top, so this stops right here with this band, and it has the puffed out sleeves, which is nice. I'll show you the back in a minute. So this is the only way I can show you what the back looks like. I don't know if I can zoom in here. There we go. That is what the back looks like. It's opened and it has a tie right here, so you can tie it yourself or have someone tie it for you in a bow. I wish I could have did that, but it's just tied back there. You can tighten it as much as you want to, so it's more secure. The skirt is the same as the last outfit. I just can't get enough of this skirt. So super cute, and it brings out the hot pink even more because of the accessories. My headband is the Bubble Bar and Sugar Fix one by Target, I believe. My bag was my birthday bag that I never wore out. It's from Forever 21. And then these shoes. Oh, I love these shoes. They're from DSW, and they're also hot pink. They're not too high. They're pretty comfortable because they have a lot of padding on them. They're gonna be so comfy to wear for summer. Definitely a summer shoe staple. And that is the 5th and final outfit of my H&M haul. And those are all the pieces that I bought. I will link everything that I mentioned down below in the description. I will categorize it by outfit, so if you're looking for a specific piece in an outfit, it is all linked down below. And there you have it. If you want to follow me, I have Instagram, and also you can check out my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!